Hello everyone. Let us start working with numbers. So the first definition on numbers is simply to read an input from the user and check whether it is a number or not. So we have created a text box. Now the issue with number inputs is when you are expecting a user to enter a number, possibly the user might enter any character, which may not be a number. So to do that, first thing we'll do is call the value in a variable. And second thing, we'll try to convert it into a number using the number method. So let's say that's the method, number method with an N capital. So it will try to convert whatever string A is. Now, if it contains something which is non-numeric, then the conversion will not take place and B will contain the special value NaN, which stands for not a number. So I need to check what is there in B. If the number conversion succeeded, B should have a number. Now, since there are infinite possibilities in B as a number, we will not check what number it is containing. Rather, we will look out for B containing NaN or not. So for this, there is an isNaN function in JavaScript, which is a function which returns true or false depending on the value inside the variable being tested using that function. So since it returns a true or a false, we will definitely use it in an if statement. So the function goes like is. Okay, so is goes in small, nan, the n's are capital. Now I want to check whether B contains nan or not. So if the conversion in the earlier statement had failed, B should be containing an NaN. And if the conversion succeeded, that means B is containing a number. So if B is containing NaN, this function will return true. If B is containing a number, this function will return false. And that is what we are going to use here. So if B is NaN, that means right? So that simply means that the input is not a number. So if B is not NaN, then obviously the input should be a number. Then only B will not be containing an NaN as a result of the conversion of a string to a number. Let us test this. So okay, let me try and enter a string here. And it says input is not a number, but if I try to enter a number, say 123, it says input is a number. If I try to enter a fractional number, it will still say it is a number. If I enter a negative value, it will still say it is a number. So this is a very simple method to be used to check whether the input is a number or not. Another simpler option is if you are using HTML5, you could have tried using a range here or a number here depending on the requirement. So instead of using input type equal to text, you could have used input type equal to number or input type equal to range. You can Google that out and find out what other types are available. But for now, to learn JavaScript, this should be a good start. See you in the next video with a new definition.